Good morning, YouTube, Facebook. What's up, guys? Courtney Truman Steamers. I'm on my first job of today. Today is November the 15th, and we have a total of 6 today. I have 3. Kevin got 3. This is a repeat customer. Show you guys what I'm doing. We got 2 areas in the hallway with 2 areas pet treat. So we want to do this hallway right here. And again, guys, that's what I was saying yesterday. Is most of my jobs are not heavily soiled carpets. You can see right here, no spots, no stains. And this this is a something that's very valuable to a lot of cleaners, especially new cleaners, to get it into the business. Is that a lot of times we focus too much on the cleaning and not the customer service side and not the preparation side of our business. These things right here, guys, is what's going to set you apart, make the customers appreciate your services even more. Because see, the reason why we get so caught up in the cleaning, that's what they're calling us for. That's why they're calling us out to the home, is to do the cleaning. So why do we get so excited, about impressing people with something they're paying us to do? So that's what I'm saying, is that's what I help a lot of cleaners understand. It's the little things that matter. I had a customer say this the other day. She said, Courtney, one thing I appreciate about you is you have your truck lettered, so that lets me know who you are when you pull up in my driveway. And it's raining out here today too, guys. So, but when you are servicing your customers, guys, realize if they're calling you to do a service, don't get so caught up in the service where you forget about what really matters. I got my Sillador. Actually, Sillador is actually one of the vendors for my coaching group. Also, these floor mats. A lot of people ask me, where do I get these floor mats from? Art the Signs. He's the one that did my floor mats and also wrapped my trucks. So he's also one of my other vendors. And these are the things that's just going to set you apart in your business. Not just getting in here, laying some treatment down, extracting the carpets, and making them look good. Because again, that's what we're here for. We're here to clean the carpets and give the customer the service that they paid us to do. It's almost like when I go to my dentist. I don't brag about my dentist cleaning my teeth. I brag about the customer service. I brag about the follow-ups. I brag about how clean and neat and organized their systems are. How professional their office is. The office staff. How nice they are. How friendly they are to me. How they make me feel comfortable. When I'm getting my my services done. I don't come out of my dentist office saying, "Oh, he did a great job cleaning my teeth," or whatever services he did, because that's what I'm paying him to do. So that's the thing, guys, is I try to help a lot of cleaners, and especially new cleaners, is yes, you are here to do a service, but what else can make you stand out while you're there at the customers' homes? And this is some of the reasons why: your professionalism, your systems in place. I have a system that I use called Marquette, and Marquette is actually going to be one of my vendors too. They're actually one of the vendors for the new group. So my Marquette app, my customers get a notification when they're on the way. This is our schedule for today. So you can see we're already booked going into the holidays. And we'll probably get some add-ons today. So today could probably end up being about right now at 15, about a good 18, $2,000 day once we start adding on other services. So sometimes people would ask to add on other services, including protection. So it's raining, guys, but that's not going to stop the show because it's not raining too bad. Also keeping your van organized. Truck mount cleaning solutions. They the one that I got my van and my truck mount from. They're also one of the vendors. So all the products that I have on my truck, they're also going to be one of the vendors offering discounts on equipment and accessories and also cleaning products. So yeah, guys, So, you know, keeping your van cleaned out, keeping your van clean, these are the things that makes you stand out as a professional, not the service itself. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get started, knock this job out. And like I said, as you guys can see, I need to clean my filter out. It's pretty dirty. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Thanks again for watching YouTube, Facebook. See you guys in the next one.